Good afternoon and namaste all of you. Today I'm going to teach you how to install XAMPP server in your Windows computer. So at first let me download XAMPP server from internet. So XAMPP download. Okay, here is it. Click on it and let me download the latest version of XAMPP. It's okay. So it's here. Download 64-bit. Okay, download is completed. Then so in folder, let me install this application. Okay, let me install this. Double click on it, click on S, then after click on OK, then next. Okay, so you need to choose the folder first. So currently the C drive is the default location, so click on next. Okay, so the selected folder is not empty. Please select a different folder. Let me delete it from here first. Let's see. And the XAMPP, let me remove this permanently from here, from my drive. Then you can install a new copy of XAMPP server over here in your local disk C. Okay, so it's not here. Okay, then next. Okay, it is installing. Okay, you need to wait for some time. I'll be back again after a couple of minutes. So this is very simple and lightweight solution for that works in Windows, Linux and Mac as well. So this is completely free and open source. Okay, just after this you can see here, do you want to start the control panel now? It's already ticked, that means finish. Then you can see the control panel. The control panel, XAMPP server control panel is going to start. Okay, here is the control panel. So we just need Apache and a MySQL for this time. Click on start, then click on MySQL to start this one. So if you have any problem with this connection, so you'll have red color and some of the error messages over here in this particular box. So this is how we can install XAMPP control panel in our Windows computer. So let me go through this admin panel over here. So you can check the current PHP info, current PHP version here. PHP version 8.1.6 currently it is installed in our computer. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye, have a good day.